Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Driving at night is so much fun! And we have the streets all to ourselves. Whoa! What was that? It's pretty late for animals to be out. You're right, D.B.O. That's definitely an animal. I wonder, why do some animals come out at night? I'm gonna need a grabber arm.
Grabber arm confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find that nighttime animal. Ah! Oh.
Hi, my name is Rita the raccoon. What's yours?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and that's D.B.O. We were wondering why some animals, like you, are out at night.
See, I'm nocturnal. That means that everything you like to do in the daytime, I like to do at nighttime.
So cool!
Hey, do you think this thing can help me find some food?
Of course! I think the BlippiMobile could do almost anything! Oh, look at her go! D.B.O., follow that raccoon!
Woo! Ha-ha! Come on, keep up!
Rita, you aren't supposed to use the BlippiMobile without permission. That's stealing.
Sorry! Us raccoons will do almost anything for food.
I'm freezing, Rita. It's so cold at night. Aren't you cold too?
Me? No way! I've got this big fur coat that helps me keep nice and warm all night.
I wish I had a big coat or something to keep me warm. Whoa! Look out!
It's okay, Blippi! Look!
Oh, thanks, Rita.
That's another great thing about being nocturnal. A lot of the animals that want to chase me are asleep. I like it better with less unfriendly predators around. Something smells good. Let's go!
To the BlippiMobile. This time I'll drive.
That's it! In there!
That looks complicated, Rita. How are you going to open it?
No problem. Raccoons are great problem solvers, as long as there's food involved. Ha! Jackpot! With less animals around, I don't have to share all of this great food.
What an amazing adventure! And I got the answer to my question. Why do some animals come out at night? Some animals like to come out at night because there is less competition for food. There are fewer predators and people around, and because it's cooler at night. Upload answer, D.B.O.
Goodbye, Blippi! I'm off to greener dumpsters!
Bye-bye, Rita! You're right, D.B.O. This is a kangaroo crossing, and we're in Australia. So, I guess you never know when a kangaroo might... Whoa! Bounce in! Wow! What a spectacular jump! I wonder, how high can a kangaroo jump? Great idea! We'll go ask that kangaroo. I'm gonna need frog legs for this adventure.
Frog legs confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. We're in the outback, so let's go find a kangaroo.
Hi there, I'm Rooney. What brings you to these parts in your cool-looking car?
Hi, Rooney. It's me, Blippi. And this is D.B.O. We wanted to see how high a kangaroo can jump.
Pleasure to to meet ya. Well, I can jump as high as your mobile here, but I can jump higher.
Whoa! Rooney's hopping pretty high and super fast.
You're pretty fast yourself. You up for a little race, Blippi?
Sounds fun.
All right, let's race around that big sandstone rock down there. We call it Uluru, or Ayers Rock. It's the heart of Australia.
Whoa! So cool!
And the first bag here wins.
You're on, Rooney.
By the way, there may be a fence or two in the way.
Good to know.
Come on, Blippi, up to it. Careful, this fence is 6 feet tall. Good jump. Ready to go even higher?
Yeah!
How about a 10-footer?
Whoa!
Yeah! Woohoo!
To the best jumper we've ever seen! And now I have the answer to my question. How high can a kangaroo jump? Kangaroos can jump up to 10 feet off the ground. Upload answer, D.B.O.
That was fun, Blippi. Whew, gotta cool down. That's why I'm licking my arm. It's a kangaroo thing. Bye!
Bye-bye! Whoa! This spiderweb looks amazing! You're right, D.B.O. Spiderwebs do have such artistic designs. I wonder, how do spiders make their webs? Yes, let's go find a spider to ask. I'm gonna need wings and spider legs.
Wings, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure.
Bonjour, I'm Spencer. You're just in time to watch me make my latest artistic creation.
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you about to make a web?
I am. It's going to be my greatest masterpiece, the webbiest web of all time. Want to help?
Yeah! I really want to learn how spiders make their webs.
Time to create.
D.B.O, I'll be right back.
Blippi, you can be my holder and tester. My web will be a circle-shaped design with some triangles in the middle.
What kind of string do you use to make your web?
I use silk strands that I make myself, and they shoot out of my stomach. To a spider or bug, these strands are as strong as steel.
That is so cool!
Next, the circles to complete my masterpiece. Can you hold this strand in place, Blippi?
Yeah! Whoa! It is a circle shape!
Ah, perfect! Grab that strand, Blippi, to swing out for a look.
Whoa! Amazing! Wait! Is that a picture of me in your web?
It is you, my masterpiece. Now you can test it. Bounce against it. See if it holds.
Whoa!
The sticky part is for catching bugs to eat.
Your web is beautiful and useful, Spencer. And you answered my question. How do spiders make their webs? They use super strong and sticky silk strands to create a web with a cool circular design. Upload answer, D.B.O. Thanks for showing us how you make a perfect web, Spencer. Bye-bye!
Au revoir!
Salad. Oh, thanks, Tabs. Didn't know this lettuce was stuck in my teeth. I guess a toothbrush would help. I wonder, how do you use a toothbrush to clean your teeth? Great idea! We can go meet a toothbrush in a mouth. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Let's go explore! Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. It's time to shrink down and go into a mouth. Shrinking down! We're inside a mouth. You're right, Tabs. We need a way to clean these teeth.
Would a brush help? Hi, I'm Bill Brushy. And you are?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. I want to find out how to use a toothbrush to clean teeth.
Well, you're asking the right brush. Hop on, and I'll show you the best way to clean your teeth.
All right. Hey, Bill Brushy, is that toothpaste on your brush part?
Yes, sir. It helps keep teeth healthy and food-free. Okay, now here's how to brush your teeth. Let's go to the front first. So, small circles on every tooth. Okay, that's the front done. Let's go to the back now.
We turned, we flipped.
Little circles round and round.
All right, let's make some more. Circles, circles, circles.
These teeth are the molars. I call them the chew crew, since they do most of the work.
I know, Tabs. Toothbrushing is a wild ride. Wow! I think I have the answer to my question. How do you use a toothbrush to clean your teeth? It cleans by brushing the front, back, and in between of all teeth in little circle motions. And that pushes all the food out from between the teeth and makes them nice and clean. Upload answer, Tabs.
Thanks for your help, Blippi and T.A.B.S. Remember to brush twice a day for 2 minutes each time for super sparkling teeth.
We will. Thanks for letting us ride along, Brushy. Bye-bye. I love chocolate. Just a little bit now and then. Do you love it too, D.B.O? Oh, right. Dogs can't have chocolate. It hurts their tummies. I wonder, how are chocolate bars made? Great idea! We can go into that chocolate factory and find out. I'm gonna need wings, hovercraft, and a prop engine.
Wings, hovercraft, prop engine confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Let's go meet some chocolate bars in the chocolate factory.
Hey there! You're not cocoa beans! I need them so we can start making chocolate bars.
I'm not a bean, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.B.O.
Hi, Blippi. Hi, D.B.O. I'm Barb the Chocolate Bar. Welcome to my chocolate factory.
Thanks, Barb. I'd love to see how chocolate bars are made. Can we come with you?
Absolutely. It all begins with cocoa beans. These beans come from plants.
So, how do beans become a chocolate bar?
They go on a little journey. First, a bean bath. Next, our beans get roasty and toasty. Then they get made into teeny-weeny beans. Our bean powder then gets mixed with sugar and milk to make them sweet and smooth.
Woohoo! Come on, D.B.O. Time to ski. No? But it'll be fun. chocolate bar D.B.O.
After the chocolate is cooled into bar shapes, we wrap them and they're ready! Ta-da!
Whoa! You both look alike. And I have the answer to my question. How are chocolate bars made? Cocoa beans get washed, heated, crunched, mixed with milk and sugar, and then cooled down into a chocolate bar. Upload answer, D.B.O. Thanks for a sweet tour, Barb.
Anytime! Bye, Blippi!
Bye-bye! Oh no! D.B.O, look how the water is carrying the frisbee far away towards that island. I wonder, why don't islands float away? You're right! Let's go ask the island and find out. I'm gonna need helicopter blades and duck feet.
Helicopter blades, duck feet, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure.
Oh, hello up there.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.B.O.
Nice to meet you both. I'm Ivan.
Ivan, why don't you float away?
I think it has something to do with my bottom. Ooh, I know. Let's look underwater where my bottom is to find out. Oh, wait. I can't see down there.
You're right, D.B.O. It would be great if you sucked up the water so we could see the bottom better.
I can't wait to see what's down there.
Okay, D.B.O. Drink up. Wow! These colorful coral reefs are so beautiful! We can see so much now! And Ivan, you're way bigger than I thought!
Thanks! I'm even bigger! You're only at my belly button now, see?
Oh! D.B.O, can you drink up more water so we can see the bottom? Are you okay, D.B.O? Ivan, you have so many amazing things on you. Hey, wait, are we at the bottom now?
No, you've reached my knees. Still a bit of a way to go.
Do you think you've got one more big gulp left in you, D.B.O? We're so close to being able to see the bottom. Woohoo! I knew you did.
You made it, Blippi! You're at my feet!
Really? How can you be sure?
Because it tickles when you walk around!
Ivan, you're attached to the bottom of the sea. You're like a mountain.
Oh, D.B.O! Oh, no!
Well, that was fun. And now I have the answer to my question. Why don't islands float away? Islands don't float away because they are mountains attached to the seafloor. Upload answer, D.B.O. Thanks for all your help, Ivan. You rock. Hope to see you again.
Anytime. I'm here to stay. Bye-bye, Blippi!
I see the moon, stars, and is that a planet? Oh, it is, Tabs. Whoa! There's a whole area out there in space with the planets and the sun. It's called the solar system. I wonder, what planets are in the solar system? Good idea, Tabs. Let's go into outer space. I'm gonna need a rocket booster.
Rocket booster, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Now it's time to get planet size. growing up! Right, Tabs, we're in space! Whoa, it's a meteor! Hey, it's me, Blippi.
Welcome to outer space. I'm Mary the Meteor.
I'm here to find out about all the planets in our solar system.
There are 8 planets in our solar system. Let's meet them, shall we? Closest to the blazing sun are the 2 smallest and hottest planets, Mercury and Venus.
Whoa, that is hot.
We should go. The 3rd planet is your home, Earth.
Hi, Mom.
Then there's Mars, the red planet. Mars is red because it's covered in rusty soil.
That's a lot of dust.
Come on! Next up is the giant Jupiter, bigger than all the planets combined. He doesn't scare me, though. Whoa! We should go!
We sure are a long way from the sun now.
Welcome to Saturn and her rings.
Whoa, they look beautiful. Can we get closer?
Of course!
Whoa! Yeah, whee!
Wait, we haven't finished yet. On your left is Uranus, billions of miles from the sun, pretty cold. Now let's hear it for the furthest, windiest, and coldest planet, Neptune.
Whoa! I have the answer to my question. What planets are in our solar system? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Upload answer tabs. Thanks for the tour, Mary. That was wild.
See ya, Blippi. Time for a shower. A meteor shower!
Bye, Mary the Meteor. Achoo! Thanks for you. Huh, something is making me sneeze. I wonder, why do people sneeze? Yes, it's time to find the nearest nose and see what happens in there. I'm gonna need rocket boosters, a grabber arm, and spider legs.
Rocket booster, grabber arm, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Woo-hoo! Into a nose we go. It's like a cave in here. Hello?
Hello!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Who are you?
My name's Petunia, and I'm a piece of pollen. I may be small, but I can make big things happen.
Like a sneeze?
You got it! When I'm around people, I bother them. And I especially like bothering noses. Come on, bounce with me. Oh, don't worry, it's a nose. It's not going to bite. Plus, it's fun.
So, this will make someone sneeze?
This is just the start, since a sniff is coming. Watch out.
That wasn't that bad! It looks like we're in a jungle.
This is all hair. It's here to keep pollen like me, and plus other things like dust particles out of your nose. Well, it won't work. Oh, it's fun to be irritating.
Will this cause a sneeze?
I hope so. Ooh, now a tissue's coming for us. Run! All right, they're really bothering this nose now. Tickle more.
Is a sneeze coming?
It is! Na 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 na!
Oh no! Boogers!
We did it!
Yes! Yes, and I have the answer to my question. Why do people sneeze? People sneeze when tiny things like pollen get inside their nose and irritate it. Upload answer, D.B.O.
Okay, see ya, Blippi!
Bye-bye, Petunia. Whoa! Bouncy sand dune! And even bouncier! Wow, what an amazing sandcastle! Wave incoming! Oh no! Looks like that castle was no match for that wave. Huh, I wonder, can I build a sandcastle that doesn't get washed away? Yeah, you're right, Tabs. There is only one way to find out. I need to build a sandcastle of my own. I'm gonna need the excavator arm and spider legs.
Excavator arm, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for action. Let's go make a sandcastle that won't get washed away. Now we need to make ourselves sandcastle size. Shrinking down. Feel that cool ocean breeze, Tabs. Whoa!
Hi there, I'm Krabby the Crab. Pleasure to meet you. Ooh, crikey, I don't know my own strength.
Hi, Krabby. It's me, Blippi. And this is my BlippiMobile.
I love it. So, you out taking a fun ride?
Actually, Krabby, I'm here because I'm curious if I can build a sandcastle that won't get washed away.
You came to the right crab. I'm a planner, digger, and a builder. I can help you, Blippi.
Great.
So the first thing we're gonna do is build a moat. That's a fancy word for a hole. You see, the water goes into the hole and doesn't wash away what's behind it. So, let's dig. Dig, 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 dig. Woo!
Wow, what a hole!
Now let's build a sandcastle.
You're right, Tabs. We are gonna need a shovel.
Finished! Success!
You already built it, Krabby.
And our moat is perfect. The moat's the hole we dug all around the sandcastle.
Great moat! And best sandcastle ever. Wave incoming! The moat worked, Krabby. This means I think I have the answer to my question. Can I build a sandcastle that doesn't get washed away? I can by making a hole around it to catch the water. Upload answer, Tabs. Thanks, Krabby.
See you later, Blippi. Keep on digging.
Whoa, Tabs! Look at this amazing rainforest. You're right. I bet all kinds of interesting animals are in there. I wonder, what kind of animals live in a rainforest? I'm gonna need spider legs and the grabber arm.
Spider legs, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Wow! This place is so green! They must get a lot of rain here.
Yes, we do actually.
Hey! It's me, Blippi. This is Tabs.
Hello, I'm Bi, the giant panda bear. Glad to meet you.
We want to know what kind of animals live in a rainforest. Can you show us around?
Yes, okay, but I am meeting my sister for lunch and I'm always late, so I'd like to be there first for once.
We won't be long.
Super! Let's go see what we can find.
Yeah! Thanks, Bi.
I do get a little hungry before lunch, so could you help me collect some bamboo on the way? Just for a snack.
Sure. Whoa! This bamboo is as tall as a house.
The juiciest shoots are at the top. Would you mind?
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Lovely!
Whoa, Whoa, look! There's a monkey.
He's a golden monkey. Hi, Fred. Sorry, Fred. All pandas love bamboo. It's all we ever eat, actually.
Not even ice cream?
Not even ice cream, unless it was bamboo flavor. Could you get me a little more bamboo? All this chewing makes me terribly hungry.
Sure thing.
There's a nice stalk just there.
Whoa! Little red bugs.
Oh, it's Reese and Fiona. They're red bamboo weevils.
Hi, buggies.
Oh no! I'm going to be late again. Sorry, we need to go. Oh, not again. I'm sorry, but I was helping my new friends Blippi and T.A.B.S.
Hello.
Could I possibly share some of your bamboo, please?
Thanks for the tour, Bye. You really helped me answer my question. What kind of animals live in the rainforest? Golden monkeys, red beetles, and giant panda bears who love eating bamboo. Upload answer tabs. I think it's time for a snack of our own. See you later. Bye-bye, bye. Whoa, look at that! It's amazing how big dinosaurs were. You're right, D.B.O. There were bigger dinosaurs than the T-Rex. I wonder, what was the biggest dinosaur? Good idea, D.B.O. We can go back in time and find the biggest dinosaur. I'm gonna need wings and extendo legs.
Wings, extendo legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Going back in time! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Okay, where is the biggest dinosaur? Whoa! The rock is moving! Oh! We aren't sitting on a rock. We're on a very big dinosaur's back. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.B.O.
Hi, Blippi and T.A.B.B.O. I'm Angie, the Argentinosaurus.
Whoa! That is a big name for a big dino. I have to break it up to say it right. Argentinosaurus.
That's me. So, I'm on my way to meet a friend. Oh, do you want to come along?
Thanks for inviting us. Do you want to race? I bet you can run super fast.
Actually, I walk slowly. That's part of being so big. Plus, I need to snack to keep up my energy. I eat hundreds of pounds of plants every day.
You want to get a selfie of you and all of Angie? Good luck, D.B.O. Wow, you're really long.
I'm about 130 feet long and 40 feet tall.
That's as long as 3 school buses and a little taller than a telephone pole.
Yummy. Up the hill we go. I'll be your bridge.
Whoa!
It tickles.
Yeah!
This is where I meet my friend. Hey, good shot, D.B.O. We're both in it. Oh, and look, so is my friend.
Sorry I'm late.
Hey, this is my good friend, Nina. Nina, this is Blippi and D.B.O. They're looking for the biggest dinosaur.
That's an easy one. You're the biggest dinosaur around, Angie.
Oh, I guess I am.
So cool! And I have the answer to my question. What was the biggest dinosaur? One of the biggest dinosaurs was the Argentinosaurus. It was 130 feet long and ate plants and leaves all day. Upload answer, D.B.O. Bye, Angie and Nina.
Bye, Blippi.